There's a famous saying that goes, hard work pays off. And indeed, it does. There's no greater feeling than seeing the fruits of your labor come to fruition. Whether it's achieving a personal goal, completing a project, or reaching a milestone in your career. There's a sense of satisfaction and fulfillment that goes with it. In this fast-paced world where instant gratification is the norm, it's important to take a step back and appreciate the journey and the rewards that come with it. The concept of enjoying the fruits of your labor is not just about indulging in the material things that your hard work has brought you. It's about recognizing and appreciating the effort, time, and sacrifices that you have put into reaching your goals. It's about finding joy in the process and being proud of what you have accomplished. One of the key elements of enjoying the fruits of your labor is gratitude. Gratitude is the act of being thankful for what you have. It's about acknowledging the blessings and opportunities that come your way. When you are grateful, you are able to appreciate the small victories and milestones that you have achieved. It also allows you to have a positive outlook on life and to focus on the good rather than the negative. Another important aspect is reflection. Take a moment to reflect on your journey and how far you have come. Think about the challenges you have faced, lessons you have learned, and the growth you have experienced. This will help you appreciate your achievements even more and motivate you to keep moving forward. Enjoying the fruits of your labor also means finding balance in your life. While hard work is important, it's equally important to take breaks and enjoy the present moment. This could mean spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or simply taking a day off to relax and recharge. Finding this balance will help you avoid burnout and keep you motivated to continue working towards your goals. Enjoying the fruits of your labor is about finding joy, gratitude, and balance in your life. It's important to recognize and appreciate the hard work you have put in to achieve your goals. So take a step back and enjoy your hard labor. Schwabidan!